Assalamualaikum, world GSM friend. At first subset Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G CPI 2001 full down file. Now see it right now. Full down for 100% tested. Now see this mobile hang logo date mode only MTK port, so that's unlocked to down file and flashing mobile running and immediate unlock tool download file. Okay, just download M1 WhatsApp 24-hour service. Okay, next Symphony G26 network unlock file. Stand facts 100% working. Okay, just we see download. Next Samsung G532 combination FRK file. Okay, next A536U remove tested. Okay, next vivo Y73 PD2078 drum easy tag box. Yes. If mobile MediaTek port not show, just download. Okay, clear. At first my YouTube channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share, email and WhatsApp 24-hour service. My friend request at first my channel subscribe, like and comment and Facebook share. Okay. I am very confused. Your link description no link, just link. Comment box check now. Comment box is no link, just your right open Google now. Now see Google now, the right Borsa mobile. Click now and blogger site open one click. One click. This any model just right now Y76 any model name right and now see. Okay, any model no problem, just you see model. Okay, any model search now, any model G26 search now. Okay, goodbye.